Unfortunately, there is one huge dilemma that anyone selling digital products over the internet must face, and that is, how do you make your products burglar-proof so that they can't be stolen, shared, or resold by refunders and black hatters? There is no doubt that online piracy is more common than ever, and if you're a serious internet marketer selling digital products online, you can't escape from this dilemma. You're either a target or an online piracy victim already. And if you're just starting out, you will eventually be a victim as well because with the increase in sales and popularity of your products, the more likely you'll end up finding it on some file-sharing site or forum. We're talking thousands of downloads and outright theft of your hard work, if, of course, you're lucky enough to discover it like we did. Here's some interesting facts. Did you know that 22% of all global internet bandwidth is used for online piracy? Other reports show that online piracy costs the U.S. economy up to $12.5 billion and 71,000 lost jobs every year. Here are some more shocking facts according to a recent BSA piracy study. 42% of software running in the world is illegally downloaded. 45% lent it to a friend or coworker. Torrent sites receive more than 146 million visitors per day, and 98.8% of data transferred using these peer-to-peer networks is copyrighted. $63 billion worth of software was illegally downloaded in 2011 alone. And as an online marketing entrepreneur, with every second that passes, you face problems and threats like your products could be posted to black hat forums and newsgroups. Your products could be uploaded to file-sharing sites for everyone to download. And even if your files were in a password-protected membership site, they could still easily be downloaded and shared. And this is just scratching the surface. I don't care what method of packaging we're talking about. Until now, there was always an easy way for others to pirate and distribute your products for free. And it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out these simple ways of pirating your product can ruin what could have been an extremely profitable online business venture. I know, because I'm speaking from first-hand experience. When our WordPress plugin Page Expiration Robot started gaining some serious popularity, it came to our attention that a bunch of customers downloaded it, copied it, and started sharing it with others in black hat forums. Even worse was some of them had started selling it from their sites. They were stealing money that was rightfully ours, and we were virtually powerless to stop them. But it was too late. The 2.1 version was dead, so we added more features to the plugin and spent more money on development in order to release a new version. A new version with features that thieves didn't have, so hopefully potential customers would buy it instead of downloading it for free. I immediately looked for a licensing method to deliver our plugins and themes electronically. I didn't find anything I liked, and I didn't want to overload my guys, so I decided to ask some other programmers out there for help. Their bids to develop a custom licensing solution for our plugin were between $1,000 and $1,600. And after interviewing 3 potential contractors, they all told me this solution will only be for license key protection only. No key management, no control over multiple domain usage, no ability to deactivate a user's key, nothing. And this offer was for protecting just one plugin. What about our other plugins and upcoming theme? I mean, we definitely wanted to make sure that people who asked for a refund could no longer access our product. There are many people that ask for a refund knowing that they'll get to keep the product for free because there's no way of stopping them. Knowing all this, we could easily spend $10,000 just to create custom licensing systems for all our current and future products. However, I was determined not to give up. Considering that there are hundreds of millions of dollars spent online, and considering that selling your products online is hands-free, we decided to bite the bullet and create the system and solution we were looking for. First, we brainstormed the exact features and elements to cover all of our bases. We knew exactly what we wanted, so we mapped it all out for our head programmer. We doubled the salary of our head programmer, hired another one, and told them to create this system for us for all our products. We told them not to work on anything else, no matter how long it would take, and develop the licensing system we needed. We needed to secure all of our products with full licensing control and automation, and we knew other vendors needed this too. It took months of labor-intensive research and development, building, testing, tweaking, and testing some more. We call it Wizshield. To give you an idea of how seriously we take this security issue, I should let you know that we outright refused to sell another plugin or theme until the Wizshield licensing system was complete. Although we may have been losing sales by not offering our newest theme to the public, the revenue we would have lost if someone had pirated and distributed the theme for free would have been huge. Why would people pay for your product when they can download it for free, right? Now, you too can enjoy 100% control over every single copy of your product distributed over the internet. Listen, Wizshield is not only a superior and user-friendly web-based application for securing and licensing products, it also gives you far more security and hands-free full control than any other option. We designed it to provide the kind of security we need in order to sell more plugins and themes and secure the ones we already developed. Now we're offering this same amazing, fully automated licensing security system to you. You now have the opportunity to be secure that your products will be pirate-proof without spending a fortune. In fact, Wizshield not only saves you money from piracy, but it makes you even more money and allows you to work stress-free. Sounds great, right? Well, it is. Here are some of the reasons why 97% of our customers recommend Wizshield. Wizshield is an easy-to-use and fully automated licensing system. You can secure your products in 90 seconds or less. We spent months creating a system that automatically injects code in multiple places in your file without any programming skills or source code changes on your part. We also obfuscate and encrypt the code, making it 100 times more difficult to crack than any other licensing option out there. Payment gateway integrations that automates license distribution to all new customers. Instantly revoke access from refunders, even while you sleep, thanks to the powerful integration feature that works with payment gateways like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, PayPal, ClickBank, and more. Create multi-license deals and sell more of the same product. Set keys to expire after X amount of days. This is perfect for trial and review copies. Easily find a user who accessed your product 6 months ago. Monitor the use of your products on every single domain. Get notified about suspicious activity from every product. Manually revoke product access by domain or entire key. Easily import and give access to all of your existing customers. How about more profit? Wizshield detects license key overusage and upsells your clients for you, making you more money. Customize system messages and emails for each individual product. Unlimited users and file upload capacity with no per-user fees. Export all of your data and upgrade or cancel your account anytime. Promote your products in the Wizshield marketplace for free. World-class, friendly customer service and live support. Now, you may be wondering how difficult it is to protect your product using Wizshield. Well, with our custom-built security algorithm, the answer is, it couldn't be simpler. Just drag your product file from your computer right into Wizshield, and its custom-built algorithm will highly secure your files in 90 seconds or less. Wizshield safely and instantly injects the licensing code in multiple places throughout your file, obfuscates the code, and also encrypts it so that it's virtually impossible to crack. No changes to source code is required on your part. Wizshield does it all. Whether you sell plugins or themes for a hefty profit, or give them away as a promotional tool that drives even more traffic and customers to your website, the Wizshield licensing system gives you the power to distribute your intellectual property in the secure fashion which our times and your business demand. With state-of-the-art security features, Wizshield could potentially save you thousands of dollars in lost revenue and allows you to feel confident knowing your products and hard work cannot be stolen, given away, or pirated. Now, at this point, you may be thinking, yeah, that's great, but what about the license keys? Can't they be shared? It's a good question, and the answer is a firm and resounding no. Each key is unique to each customer, and you control and monitor every use of that key. Wizshield integrates with your payment gateways such as JVZoo, ClickBank, and PayPal, and delivers unique license keys to new customers and revokes access to refunders automatically. Each customer gets their unique license key for that individual product. Here's how straightforward it works. When your customer installs your product for the first time, they will have to enter their license key before they can do anything else. Once they've entered their key, your product will go online and check Wizshield servers to make sure their key is valid. If their license key is valid and the transaction has not been refunded, the plugin or theme will unlock, and the domain it's installed on will be tracked under that user's record in Wizshield. Your customer now has full access to use your product. Once the customer has activated the product using their license key for the maximum number of domains you specified, it becomes impossible to share or copy because Wizshield will not allow them to activate it again. In fact, they will be presented with an on-screen upsell notice, as well as an email to buy more license keys from you. This means more money for you. You may be thinking to yourself, these security measures are great for the first time they activate, but what if they refund the product later down the road? Or what if they don't make good on their payment? Do I have to manually deactivate their key? There is a simple solution to this because we're just that good and because we're product owners ourselves. As mentioned earlier, once the product has been registered and unlocked, it will randomly check back with our server to make sure the user's license key is marked active. And if a customer requests a refund or does not make good on their payment, your payment gateway will notify Wizshield via the IPN integration and simply disable their license key. In addition to refunders, you can also put an end to thieves that purchase and share your products in forums and file sharing sites. Simply set a domain limit for each license. Or, if you have an unlimited domain version of your product, you'll get notified by email when the license is activated on a certain amount of domains. This is our suspicious activity feature, and it stops unlimited license products from being shared. You have 100% control of who uses your products and when they use them, and you can track and monitor their every move. You can integrate your payment gateway to automatically email the unique license keys to your customers just seconds after they order. You do nothing but keep your focus on marketing and growing your business. Wizshield does the rest. Now, I really believe that I need to take a moment to warn you about something that could potentially lose you thousands of dollars in revenue if you choose not to use Wizshield as your licensing system. As I already mentioned, there are numerous different ways to secure and license your products. Unfortunately, each of these licensing options shares a very serious flaw, a flaw that could potentially make or break your business. So, before I go any further, I want you to ask yourself the following questions. How do you control the registration of your products to make sure people are not cheating the system? How do you make sure people can't pass out your products to file sharing sites or to their friends and coworkers? How do you make sure that people who ask for a refund can no longer access your product while automating that whole process? There are people who will ask for a refund knowing that they will get to keep the product for free because you have no way of stopping them. How do you stop people from buying your product and then using it to sell it as their own? Do you have the answers? If you do, you must be a lot smarter than us because it took us a solid year to come up with effective solutions to these problems. It's a solution more affordable and less time-consuming than spending literally thousands of dollars creating your own licensing. When you register for a Wizshield plan, with a click of a few buttons, you'll have complete mastery over all security features, including automatic license key distribution to new customers, instant key disablement from refunders, ability to create multi-license deals and sell more of the same product, set keys to expire after X amount of days, easily find a user who accessed your product 6 months ago, monitor the use of your products on every single domain, instantly preview who accessed what and when, get notified for every suspicious activity for every product, manually revoke product access by domain or entire key. Plus, in addition to these great features, Wizshield detects key overusage and sends an email to your client on your behalf to purchase additional licenses so you can make more money. Don't wait until you end up finding your product in some black hat site being downloaded and reshared with millions of others. Every second that passes by is a chance for someone to share your products and cost you thousands of dollars in lost revenue, letting endless hours, days, even months' worth of hard work to go to waste. When you claim your access to Wizshield, you'll instantly have access to everything you need to secure and license your products. Here's what every plan includes. The patented Wizshield licensing system that allows you to secure your products and automatically or manually distribute revocable license keys to your customers. Unlimited upload size capacity. Unlimited users with no per-user fees. World-class, friendly customer service. Integration with all popular systems. No cancellation fees. Cancel at any time. 256-bit SSL security. We are so confident that Wizshield will do nothing but impress you. Not only can you cancel your account anytime, but we're also offering you a comprehensive 30 days, 100% no questions asked money-back guarantee. If Wizshield doesn't fulfill every one of your online security publishing needs, or if for any reason you are not absolutely thrilled with it, just contact our help desk and you'll be promptly issued a 100% refund. 5 minutes from now, you too can be on your way to protecting all your existing and upcoming products. This one-click licensing system is the cutting edge of online product security, utilizing some of the most advanced security features available on the web today. Can you name another licensing system available today that saves you money with automatic product protection, makes you money with automatic upselling, and saves you headaches from refunders by automatically revoking product access? If you don't claim your Wizshield plan now, and we stop selling it at this introductory price, how will you protect your products from being stolen, shared, and resold by others without spending thousands of dollars for something that is not already proven? Pick your Wizshield plan now, and we'll see you inside.